Welcome back. In the previous video lesson, we added a product in our online store, which you can see right here. Now we will be creating a collection or a category in our online store. Alright, so here you can see, if we go here, you can see collections. To create a collection or a category, we click on this one. By default, Shopify has homepage as collection, which we are not going to use. We're going to create a new collection. So let's say create collection. And we just can type in the name of the collection right here. This can be men's t-shirt, women's t-shirt, this can be baby items, whatever it is. If you go in Amazon or any big online store, you see there are a lot of different categories like electronics, mobiles, home furniture and stuff. So collection basically is that. Alright, so for this one, in order to be relevant with the product we added, I'm just gonna say man shirt. Alright, and the description for a collection is not important. You can obviously skip it, but if you want to add, you can always add. This is just a brief description of what the collection is about. Alright, next we have the collection type, and here you have manual or automated. If you want it to be automated, you have all the conditions right here, and this is where the tag is important. So product tag is equal to whatever tag you want, and then whatever tag it matches with, it will add automatically in this collection. But I don't want to do this automated way because maybe sometimes I add in the wrong tag and it's gonna mess up. So always I prefer doing it the manual way and adding the products manually. Alright, next we have the search engine listing preview, and this is the same. This is for SEO, which means this is how it's gonna show up in Google search or any search engine. This is not what you will see in your website. So the title and the description you fill in right here will be shown in Google search result. Alright, also you have the option to edit the URL of this particular collection. On the right side, we have here collection availability. Make sure you check it online store. If you don't, it will not be available on your online store. Alright, next we have the collection image, which is optional. You can add it or skip it. If you want to add it, then you can obviously add an image, and this is something which will show up in the collection page. Let me show you an example of how this looks like in a collection page. So we are right now here in the men's collection, and the collection image is the image which you see right here, which is here the man's face, the pen, which you can see right here. This is actually called the collection image. So this actually is a horizontal image, mainly horizontal. You want it that way, and this is the image. If you don't want to add it, you can skip it, and this image will not be here, and this section will be smaller. But if you add the image, they will try to show it right here at the very top. Alright, so that is the collection image. It's up to you whether you want to add it or not. And lastly, we have online store, theme template. Always keep it default collection, and that's it. We just click on save. Now let me show you how we can add product in this particular collection called men's shirt. So we will just go back to the products, and I'm gonna add this t-shirt in the new collection we created, that is men's shirt. Alright, so here in collection, I click here, and as you can see, we have the option men's shirt here. You just check that, and then we can remove the home page, and let's just click on save. This way our product t-shirt will be added in the collection men's shirt. That is it, my friends. It's really simple and straightforward. That is how you manage a collection in Shopify.